In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Bitmoji selfie on Snapchat. Okay, so this is super simple to do, and once you've launched up Snapchat, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji at the top left. And then you will be on this screen, and then all you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, and there you can see under Bitmoji, the last option is select selfie. Go ahead and tap on that. And it'll show you all the selfies that you can go ahead and choose from. There's tons and tons of Bitmoji selfies that you can go ahead and choose from. So if, for example, I want to change from my current one to this one right here, I can go ahead and do that by tapping on it. And then all I need to do is tap on the green done button. Now you can see at the top my Bitmoji selfie has been changed, and that would be how you change your Bitmoji selfie on Snapchat. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.